We are Team Fabulous Fajitas from NLP section, and our team, Suhani, Noah, Toby, and me, Justin, has done successful project under the excellent guidance of the instructor, Cason Shepard. Today, we're gonna present about our product named Stock Sensei. Stock Sensei is a AI model that predicts the the price of the stock market based on the inputted headline data. Our goal for this was to make it easier for make people to approach more easier understanding for the stock data and stock tradings. And yeah, to achieve it, we had to combine NLP and also data science in order to make our product. And this is our videos.
Introducing our revolutionary product, Stock Sensei, powered by cutting-edge technology. Stock Sensei harnesses the power of artificial intelligence and data analytics. It learns from vast amount of news data and historical stock information. Our intelligent algorithm reads news data and interprets it objectively.
It leverages this knowledge to make useful predictions based on previous history. With our product, you can gain a competitive edge in the market and allow that dough to start rolling in. Make informed decisions and seize profitable opportunities. Our AI does the hard work so the average person becomes an experienced investor. Transform your investment strategy with our intelligent solution.
And that was it. And let's try our model. So this is our section. So we can just go anywhere. Wait, I'm moving. Just please.
Here, Justin, I have a news headline you can put in the text box.
It's working right now. My bad.
Okay, you got one? Got it.
So you're gonna get some random things and put that into the input here, and you can click generate, and you're gonna make the generate. Yeah. So this is summarization of the headline, the generated article, and this is stock prediction for 2 weeks and 2 months and 6 months. My computer is lagging right now. I don't know why it's not moving.
I can share my screen.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay, so for data collection, the data set that we used for our project was a headline data set and an Apple stock data set, which were both from Kaggle. And then for data pre-processing for the headline data set, we dropped everything except the tech and business categories. And then for our Apple stock data set, we dropped everything except the close and the date, and we added in 2 weeks, 2 months, and 6-month growth columns. For text encoding, we use techniques such as tokenization, lemmatization, stemming, software removal, and one-hot encoding. Below, there's an example of one-hot encoding, which takes the text Apple facing fierce competition and then output these numbers. Then for merging our data, we merged the headline and Apple stock data sets by using the pandas merge function based on the date columns of the two data. And then we split the data into a train, validation, and test set to ensure that our data was good. And then for stock prediction, we chose 3 different models for like different time growth periods. For 2 weeks, we chose AdaBoost regressor. 2 months, we chose random forest regressor. And then for 6 months, we chose XGBoost regressor.
For the article generation section, we used GPT-Neo, a language model, to train and prepare our AI model. The parameters that we used during this training were epochs and weight decay being manipulated throughout the training process. And this took approximately 10 to 30 minutes, depending on the desired output.
Front end. From the very beginning, our project's journey was driven by a commitment to providing users with an visually stunning experience. By leveraging bootstrap templates, HTML, and CSS code, we achieved just that. The front end of our website exudes elegance and functionality, enticing visitors to engage with our platform effortlessly. Merging front end and back end. Bringing together the front end and back end was the culmination of our efforts. Using Flask, we seamlessly integrated the NLP and stock prediction models into our website, enabling a unified and cohesive user experience. The marriage of JavaScript and Python unlocked new dimensions of our platform capabilities, proving that technology integration is the path to innovation.
Yeah, if we go to the limitations section, some limitations are group 1 through was having a restricted data set of news articles that narrowed our data down to the processed content. Additionally, the scope of our analysis was limited to 2 weeks, 2 months, and 6 months because of the limited data set, which was not very optimized. But to grow our model in the future, we are aspiring to expand our project to reach other stocks in the stock market and have more precise outputs.
This project was made in the 3-week natural language processing program at AI Camp.